Cutting out charms from flat sheet metal on the Magic E7 machine is a precise and rewarding process. Whether you're designing custom jewellery or crafting decorative pieces, this step-by-step guide will show you how to execute the perfect cut. First, measure your sheet metal with a digital tool and peel off the film on top of the metal. Now let's secure the sheet metal into the cutting vise. Make sure the square sheet sits flush against the floor of the vise. It's crucial that it's secured firmly. This will prevent any movement during the cutting. Finally, ensure the cutting vise itself is locked tightly into the flat lay vise. A secure setup means a flawless cut. Next, we want to change the engraving tool at the top. To do this, get an Allen key and fix it in. For this demonstration, we're using a 0.6mm end mill cutter, perfect for precise and intricate cuts. Once happy and everything is in place, secure the lock on the machine. On the software, select Square from the template options on the left. Input the correct measurements and hit OK. This template will guide the cutting process, so precision here is key. Time for the creative part, designing your charm. Click on the design sample in the software and choose your shape. For this example, we're using a heart and ring design. Adjust the placement and size until you're happy with the look. Remember, the placement and scaling here will directly affect the final cut, so take your time and get it just right. With your design in place, choose Outline Toolpath. Input the engraving details, making sure to include the metal width, plus an additional 0.2mm for clearance. Check your line depth and turn on Z pitch. Click the Magic E7 button and hit Start Engraving. The machine will process the instructions and get ready for cutting. Before we begin cutting, it's essential to check the boundary mode. Use the buttons at the bottom of the machine to adjust the boundary area. Once everything is aligned, apply a good amount of WD-40 or cutting oil to the sheet. This step helps create a smooth cutting process and reduces wear on the tool. When you're ready, press the play button. The probe will drop and the Magic E7 will start cutting your design with precision. And there you have it. Once the cutting process is complete, your charm is now fully cut and ready for any finishing touches. By following these simple yet precise steps, you can successfully cut out custom charms from flat sheet metal using the Magic E7 machine.